everyone, welcome back. So this is a part 2 of this crop top. This crop top name is front tie crop top. So I already make front tie crop top. This means a front tie, and this is a tie, and we have to tie it. And second part, I make this straps. It's a sleeves, you can say sleeves or straps here. This for hand. So I'm going to make this part same as this. I'm going to make here. So I'm going to increase here in this part and make double crochet. So continue to my work. Okay, I'm going to make double crochet 2 times each of the same. I increase in this part. So now in third part, I'm going to skip 1 chain and make double crochet. I'm going to make it fit. So to make fit sleeves, I have to make slip knot. This is a slip knot. It makes tight sleeves or fitting sleeves. So I finished making crop top. Thank you so much for watching my video.